looked at each other and they're like, yes, we did it. We're free. They come running across the bed, all waddling everywhere. It was hilarious. We about died laughing because the look on their face was so funny.
Look at them playing. Johnny's big old nuts.
Oh, she's pretty protective.
I think it's mating season in the dog park.
Otis!
Thank you!
You know, she...
Stop it!
Man. Where's Ckazmo? Oh. Don't even think about it. Ckazmo, don't even think about it. That's right.
Okay.
Yeah, Johnny's been... Johnny, I don't think she'll even feel it. I'm sorry. I think it's mating season in this dog park. What did they put in this grass? They done put they put something in the grass.
You tell him no.
Look
They put it's Christmas. They want to give.
And some don't want to receive.
No, I see the girls are holding their own.
This little managed pug named Johnny. Been on a German Shepherd mix named Georgia.
Oh, no.
Look, Ckazmo. This is my dog now, acting nasty. I think they put something in the in the grass. Why y'all trying to run a train on Georgia? Why? I think they trying to share. Okay, none of that same sex stuff. I love how he does a run and jump. He did a run and jump on her. He pranced and jumped up. Are you being managed too?
Oh my God.
You are. You're being dirty too.
That shit on YouTube.
I should, huh? Did you go over there and say something to him?
I really had no choice. That's my little brother.
That's your little brother?
Yeah, I just told him that I was gonna bounce his fucking head off the wall if he would knock it off. He
Oh,
said
my bad.
That all she's doing is laying there, and I said, I don't give a fuck how it looks to people. You're not doing dumb shit like that.
I'm sorry, I didn't know that was your family.
Nah, don't be. I'm the one that just told you to put the shit on YouTube.
Oh, I thought you were talking about this one.
Oh, no, I meant that shit.
That's another video.
Yeah. Georgia, what you doing, baby?
I've taken like 5 videos. I love
Georgia,
dogs.
you realize how hot it's gonna get here in the summer? You're gonna look like a chewiener if they shave you. I'm for real.
Ckazmo, he is a boy. Don't you see his nuts?
What, Georgia?
She's been getting jumped by little ones, I'm telling you. We have to let nature take its course.
How it goes.
We should have never interfered with nature.
I love how the little dogs always look like they got their paws stuck in a light socket and their hair's white.
Are you talking about my dog? I think that you were throwing shade at my dog.
Hey, your dog is a little wily motherfucker.
He is. He really is. He's spoiled. I see happy tongues out. Yay, happy faces. Happy faces. Hi, Nina. Hi, pretty. Pretty girl. And here he come again. I'm sorry, Nina.
I thought he was done. Nina, you realize you're a pig.
What am I stepping on?
Just bite him
Oh,
or what?
stepping on my baby.
Huh?
What, you up in the air now?
He's like, I don't care. I just have to do it. He's a little nympho. His name should. They tell your friend to change his name to Nympho. Tell him I got video. Ckazmo. Ckazmo.